Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to renew your British passport online step by step. The process is simple and by the end of this guide you'll know exactly what you need to do. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official gov.uk passport renewal page. On the website, choose the option to renew your passport online to begin your application. Before you start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need your current passport, a digital passport photo, and a debit or credit card to pay the application fee. Once you start the application, you'll be asked a few questions such as whether you live in the UK, your date of birth, and whether you've had a UK passport before. Answer each question using the information shown on your current passport. Next, you'll be asked if you need your passport urgently. If you do, you can choose a premium or fast track service for an additional fee. Otherwise, select the standard service and continue. After that, complete the application by entering your personal details. You'll also need to upload a digital passport photo or enter a photo code if you had your photo taken by an approved photo provider. Depending on your application, you may also need to send supporting documents or ask someone to confirm your identity. Simply follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once you've reviewed all your information, pay the application fee and submit your renewal request. After your application has been submitted, you can track its progress through your gov.uk account or receive updates by email or text message. And that's it. That's how you can renew your British passport online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.